Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. Let's start by opening the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you can tap on the menu icon to open the menu. Now, let's scroll down through the menu, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. Here, select your Instinct 2 Solar Tactical from the list of devices. On this page, tap on the More Options icon and then tap on Remove Device. Tap on Remove to confirm and wait. Here we can tap on Close, and as you can see, the device should disappear from the list of devices connected to your phone. Now, let's open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. In the Bluetooth settings, you may see the Instinct 2 Solar Tac on the list of devices connected to your phone, or previously connected to your phone. Tap on the settings icon next to it, then tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to confirm. And once the watch disappears from the list of devices, you can close the settings, and at this point, the watch is unpaired from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.